Hello, this is Codord. Welcome back. In this video, we are going to start the registration process, but before doing that, we need to talk about certain things. We need to talk about the HTTP protocol. So every time you access a website, the browser sends an HTTP request to that server where the website is hosted. And along that HTTP request, the browser adds an HTTP method, which basically tells the server what kind of action you want to do on the resource that you want to access in the, for example, the page that you want to access. You probably know about get and post. Get is used every time we access a page or a website, basically the same thing, and post is used when we work with forms. So how can we read the request information about the request that is sent towards us? Well, PHP has a global variable, a super global variable known as server. You can actually use a var dump function. This is a function used to inspect the content of a variable, and then we simply write server, and then after this we write exit. This is a language construct, and it basically means that we want to stop the execution of the PHP code. Save. Let's go back to the browser, and this is the result. If we right click and then left click on page source, you can actually see a better format. So our server global variable is an array. It has 45 elements, but we are interested of one particular element, and that is request method, because based on this request method we know what kind of action the user wants to do on our PHP file. When there is get, we talk about showing the web page, and when there is post, we talk about form submission. So in our code you can actually use an if statement and then use this server variable, and then that element that has a key request method, and now we want to check if this is equal with get. So I use 3 equal signs basically to check if these two values are equal, and if they have the same data type. And now we take this from here and paste it right here. When there is a get request, we want to show the content of our page, basically our page. Now we can remove this one from here, save, close this one, refresh, perfect. Now when there is a post request, well, of course we have to handle the form submission. So once again, if request method is equal to post, we can say echo this is a post request. Better, the form was submitted. Save, refresh, perfect. Back to our register.view.php, we have to add the method attribute, and we say post. So once again, post is used every time we want data to be stored on our database, for example. Refresh, and now if I click on this sign up button, this text is going to show up. Just before closing this video, we need to add some CSS. Basically, when this is focus, we want to add the border blue to make the border blue, and a cursor right here. So back to our CSS, index.css, search for form input, and then write form input focus, and then border 1 pixel solid, and I want this color from here. Okay, and now our form button, add cursor, let's see, cursor pointer. Save, refresh. One more thing that we have to do is to add a password confirmation field. Let's see, register.view.php, take this one from here, paste it right here. Let's see how we name that field in our home.view.php. So we have password confirm. Okay, so password confirm, and then right here on the placeholder confirm password. Refresh. Perfect. Well, that's it with this tutorial. I really wanted to show you how to really handle the form submission. So this is how you do it. You check if there is a post request, and when you simply want to, when there is a get request, we simply want to basically show the web page. You can actually say here, start the user registration process, and we can say right here, show the web page. And with that, we are done. See you in the next